Welcome to part 11 of how to make a Japanese Shoji screen. Of all woodworking operations, sanding would have to be the most disliked. But however much disliked it is still necessary. I use a random orbit sander for the sanding of my Shoji screens, and I use 180 grit paper. You'll see the initial sanding here. I only show the sanding of one component. The operation doesn't differ, so there's no point in showing you endless clips of sanding. Once the initial sanding is done, the Shoji is assembled so that all the corners can be sanded. No matter how good you are at fitting tenons to mortises, there will still be slight discrepancies in the levels of the frame components, the rails and the stiles. So it is necessary to assemble the frame and then use the sander to even out those differences. You'll notice a 10mm hole in the centre of the rail. That will be used with a pin to hold the Shoji in the finishing frame that I use. And you'll see that in a later part. 10mm holes are drilled in that position in both ends of the Shoji. Prior to spray finishing, the Shoji is given another quick sanding. This time a cover is put on the bench to protect from any dents or scratches that might be caused by items on the bench. Even dust can cause scratches and dents. And that completes this part. I thank you for watching.